I'm going to tell you how to get rid of bad smells, bad, moldy, musty kind of smells that may come from your AC. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, instead of having it on recycled air in the vehicle, is you want to go ahead and turn this off. So that way it's going to be bringing air from the outside in. And what I usually will do is I'll turn the air up. So I'm turning the fan speed up. What you're going to do is I just first start with some Lysol here. This is the lemon scent Lysol. And I'm going to spray it on the outside here. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it on this grate here, on these two grates. So I'm just going to spray it. And you can surely smell it in the car. I would actually recommend having one of your doors open when you do this. I've got my door open here. Basically what that's going to do is it's going to suck air in from the outside and bring it in through the air ducts here. And since it's Lysol, it's going to be killing the bacteria inside of here. And so you're going to be getting rid of the mold, mildew, and things like that. You also want to do this, and I've been getting this in a lot of my comments here. You want to go ahead, and let's take that out. And you're going to want to go ahead and remove the air filter. And you can do this at the same time. And this just pops off, this little cover plate here. And just look, when you have it here, just keep in mind what the airflow says. It should be facing down. So you can go ahead and take out your air filter, kind of see how it looks. It could be changed, it's not terrible thing, so I'll just keep it for now. We'll go ahead and just clip that back in. And this cover just clips back in. It might be different on different vehicles, but this one's pretty easy. And going into the future, one thing you can do, especially in the summer months, say you're running your AC a lot, is you're going to go ahead, after you run the AC, is just turn the fan on your vehicle. Not the AC, but just have the fan running. And what that's going to do is it's going to dry out the inside of the vents here. So instead of water building up inside the vents, you're going to go ahead and have the fan drying out that water in there so it won't build up the mildew and build up the water. Basically, it's going to dry out the water by just running the fan. So on this vehicle, the way I do that is there's an AC button, and then when you press it, it just says AC. You can see it there. It says AC off. And you can go ahead and turn up the actual fan with the AC off. Say you've just gotten home from work on a hot day. You can do this, and it's just going to blow the fan without the AC, and it's going to dry out any water that builds up from the AC running in there. You know, this happens to everyone. If you leave your lights on, or you leave some of these lights on inside the car, you can get issues where you're running your car a lot and draining out the battery. Go ahead and check out this video that I did, and it's going to show you how to jump start your car by yourself with a portable battery jumper. Go ahead and check it out. I'll show you how I did it. Thanks, guys.